1, 2, 3 candies about you didn't want to know. 3. Snickers. Snickers bars are called marathon bars in the UK for 60 years, and then Snickers rhyme into knickers into woman underwear. Number 2. M&M's. Smarties is a bit similar to M&M's for the 50s. And then the product that you buy, where are you consuming? So they branded them with an M. Number 1. Skittles. They have an S too, but if you put it on water, the S will detach at the candy and floats off at the water. So, if you don't understand, go to Zach D. Fame's oldest ones and then scroll up. So, bye-bye. Another part about Skittles. They had different colors and different flavors, but it is actually the same flavor, and the color is just the different one. Grape, lime, strawberry, lemon, blueberry, but they are not actually at the different flavors. So the colors is just the different ones, not the color.